Hi, my name is Clara Go. I am currently one of the faculty at Colorado State University. I am one of the instructors for some of the soft tissue and orthopedics courses here at the Aquino Center. What I feel really makes the Aquino Center unique is that the staffing and the facilities are wonderful. The courses are always very well supplied with the technicians, the equipment that we use, and the facilities, one of the best that I have done my continuing education teaching at. We just got done teaching one of orthopedic soft tissue laboratories, and what I really love about the course is throughout the 2.5-day session, we really do see people growing in their skills. And I believe it's a lot of practical information that they can take home and utilize in their practice right away. I love teaching these courses, and I really hope that you can join me for one of the future courses at the Aquino Center.